This is a really wonderful tool that you can use whenever you're feeling emotional. There's something difficult going on in your life, or if you're having those thoughts that just don't really seem to respond to our other tools of acknowledging the thought with a hello thought, thank you thoughts. But usually then there's some emotion under there. And this can be a great tool for that. And again, taking care of yourself during this practice, especially if you're using it because you're not feeling too great. Knowing that at any time, if you get in a bit too deep, if it feels a little overwhelming, you're always welcome to pause the practice. You could take a break or go find something that you enjoy doing instead. This process can be really wonderful, though, to help us get to the roots of emotions and help them to shift and move. So start by just, again, finding a comfortable position. And allowing yourself to settle in. Feeling your body making contact with whatever you're sitting or lying on. Allowing your weight to rest against the chair or the floor. And bringing your attention to feel your breath as it's moving in and out of your body. And you could also include any sounds that you hear around you. The temperature of the space that you're in. And then just noticing how you're feeling right now. Any emotion that you might be feeling. As we start the rain process, if you're not feeling any particular difficult thing right now, if you wanted to practice, you could also try just bringing in something that's going on in your life right now that you find a little bit challenging. And again, because we're practicing and learning, we don't want to choose something too overwhelming. So if it was like a scale of 0 to 10, choosing something more like a 3, something that isn't too overwhelming, it wouldn't bring up any trauma or strong emotion. We begin the process with just recognizing that there's some emotion here. It might be kind of difficult. And if you're able to put a name to that emotion, you can do that. If you're not sure exactly what you're feeling, that's also totally okay. Just recognizing whatever is here, whatever's going on right now for you. And allowing, just letting all of that be just as it is. Dropping into your primary experience. We're not needing to change anything or make anything be different. Just noticing what's here right now. Stepping out of the doing mode. Not trying to fix or analyze. But just feeling. Feeling what's here right now. And then coming to the I, which stands for investigate, which is where we really tune into what's happening in our body. What does this feel like? So you might notice any sensations of tightness or tension. Maybe there's some other sensations like tingling, buzzing. So really getting curious about how this feels. Knowing that there may be pleasant or unpleasant sensations going on. There's no good or bad. Whatever you're feeling is totally okay. And then you might also like to let your body move, taking the shape of however this feels in your body. So if there's an emotion that makes you want to kind of get small or hide, or to clench your fists or stomp your feet. Just allowing your body to move however it would like to express this emotion. Just feeling what that's like. Emotions, sometimes called energy in motion. And when we can feel these emotions and allow them to express in healthy ways, and they don't get stuck. They don't stay with us for so long. Again, not trying to make anything happen, not trying to get rid of anything. Just exploring what this emotion really feels like in your body. And then when you're ready, moving on to the last step, the N of rain is for nurture. And nurture is when we bring in this kindness, this self-care. Well, what does this part of you that's feeling this emotion, this difficulty, what does it need to hear right now? It might be something like, it's okay. It's okay to feel this way. Or another one of my favorite phrases is, I love you and I'm listening. I see you. I'm here with you. Another way is like if a good friend was feeling this way, what would you say to that friend? Seeing if you could offer those same words to yourself. You could bring in any soothing touch, like putting a hand on your heart, giving yourself a little hug, or gently touching your hands against each other. Anything that would help you to feel better in this moment. Caring for this part of you that's feeling this difficult emotion. Maybe your emotion needs to know that everything's going to be okay. That you are safe. You're supported and cared for. You might like to take some deeper breaths. Breathe into that emotion. And breathing into any tighter parts of your body. And if you feel like you still need some more time for this last step, feel free to pause the audio. Continue to nurture, send kindness and care to this emotion, to this part of you that's feeling so bad. And then when you're done with the process, just noticing how you feel. If there's any shift in your emotion or in how your body feels. You might feel like lighter or heavier, more open, or maybe you feel the same. There's no right or wrong. And becoming aware of the sounds around you again, whatever you can hear. Noticing the temperature of the room. And when you're ready, just gently taking your time, just transitioning out of the practice by slowly moving your body and opening your eyes whenever you feel ready.